So not just the kin of journalist Vikram Joshi, even the opposition in UP is now questioning the Yogi government, saying that he promised Ram Rajya but delivered a Gunda Raj. Shantashri is with us, quickly going across to her. Well, now this entire matter has been dragged into politics by the opposition parties in the state, Shant.
Yes, definitely. That's what the opposition are supposed to do. They need to question the government regarding the entire, fail of law and order that is taking place in Uttar Pradesh, because this is something which the police must answer, and that's what the family is continuously asking for. Not only they are asking for compensation, but they also want the district magistrate to visit their place and give them assurance that justice will prevail. They also want they also have denied to take the body for post-mortem or do any carry out any final rites for the body as well, because at the end of the day they want a justice to prevail at the spot itself, because of a normal FIR that was filed by Vikram Joshi because of the heinous molestation that had taken place of while his niece and nephew were crossing the road by these gang of goons. What he had to face is nothing but his voice has been muzzled, he has been shot down, and clearly this is something which cannot be led to prevail, because if this is set as a precedent, then the law and order of Uttar Pradesh will deteriorate further. So yes, when opposition like Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi himself, Randeep Singh Surjewala, and also right now Mamata Banerjee also tweeted saying that how the law and order of Uttar Pradesh has gone down. This is the right time to actually put UP government in the spot and ask them that what exactly are they planning to do, not only in this case, but to ensure that the safety and security of each and every person in Uttar Pradesh must be ensured, must be
but on the investigation point of view, Shantashri, news that came in that the police has actually gone ahead to give the names out of those 10 people who are said to be accused in the case, but very few arrests that have been made.
Yes, clearly only 9 persons have been actually arrested so far, and out of which the main accused, that is Ravi and Chotu, is that's what family members are claiming, are still on the run. They haven't been arrested yet. So these are the masterminds and these are the people who were involved on that night around 10:30 p.m. when they cornered him, they beaten him up, and then they shot him. So that 25 seconds video that had come about from the CCTV clearly shows that these are the main accused who were involved in the murder of journalist Vikram Joshi. So yes, while the family members are justified in asking for not only these accused who are on the run to be nabbed, they are justified in asking also not only for compensation and a government job, but also the district magistrate of the entire area to come over there and assure them that all that they are demanding will be catered to them. So this is not only the singular case. They are saying that just because police inaction was there and they could not act upon the FIR that was filed, that's why this kind of
So questions on the police continues to remain, even as the opposition now stepping in and questioning not just the police but the administration that is being led by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Shantashri, thank you very much.